Hello everyone. Today I would like to tell you about my daily activities. I usually get up at 4:30. Then I take a shower, wash my face, brush my teeth and pray the morning prayer, then have breakfast. I always leave for campus at around 7. It takes me 20 minutes to arrive there. My first lecture starts at 8. During lunch, I chit-chat with friends. I even come home at 3 in the afternoon. Then in the evening, I have dinner, do a stickman, and watch TV. Finally, I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.